And now let me welcome Jaroslav, who will present you yet another part of the platform, the part which enables you to process your own data and deliver them to the users. Jaro, welcome on the stage.
Thank you, Joachim, and hi to everyone. You have heard so many exciting things today about creating, customizing, or publishing beautiful maps. But there is one thing we haven't touched before. It's bringing your own data into your maps. Our very first product was a map tiling software, a powerful tool known for its speed and simplicity. It became so popular that it gave our company the name MapTiler. Since then, we have been improving it, making it smarter, easier to use, and even fastest in the world. And today, I am thrilled to announce that this powerful tool is now part of MapTiler platform, available to you as an online tiling service. Tiling service takes care of everything, validating your data, handling coordinate systems, and generating beautiful map tiles ready to publish. And you can use it directly in the MapTiler platform or access it through our API. But there are many more benefits. For example, it supports a wide range of data formats. So you don't need to check whether your data format is supported or not. Just upload your raster data or vector data, and the tiling service will do the rest. Recently, we have added support for PDFs, and many more formats are on the way. Some platforms might limit your uploads to 100 or 300 megabytes. But we understand that all your projects are unique. So you can use up to 1 gigabyte of raw data or even 100 gigabytes of tile data into your maps. It means that you can upload premium datasets to MapTiler platform, like high-resolution drone images. And I'm pretty sure that your users will love it. Aerial and drone images are processed up to 30 times faster than with other tools. It's extremely useful, for example, on a construction site, where you can update a drone imagery every hour. You just need an autonomous drone with a scheduled flight plan and our upload API to automatically replace the original image on the map. If your drone imagery was captured without GPS data, like this one, or the image was created by a designer, it won't have any geographic coordinates. But you can easily place it on the correct geographic location using our georeferencing feature in MapTiler engine, and then put it on your map. A great example of a georeferenced image created by a designer can be found on the official Wimbledon website. On top of a MapTiler base map, you can see the entire Wimbledon grounds, showing all the facilities and courts, including the famous center court. I talked about rasters, but vector data is extremely popular too. You can upload your own points, lines, and polygons with the option to add, remove, or simplify features, or make them smoother in MapTiler data editor, like in this real estate project. You can also create a new dataset from scratch. As you can see here, it's very easy to create your dataset. But maybe you are wondering how you could use it in your projects. And here is a great example. The Buffalo Marathon weekend used it to create the race road for the official map. MapTiler lets you upload many different file formats in very high quality, giving you complete freedom for your projects. You can create maps from vector data, raster data, or combination of both. Like in this map, which helps to identify best part of a farm for feeding animals. You have seen how powerful the map tiling service is. It's fast, it's reliable, and even free for everyone. And now it's your turn. Upload your data to the MapTiler platform and create maps that help people to make better decisions, live healthier lives, and enjoy events like never before.
Together, we create the maps for tomorrow. MapTiler, making maps easy to help everyone understand the world better.